Moncton with the Snowbirds. And I asked him earlier, what is the maneuver that you had the hardest time learning?
Ooh, well, that's a tough question for this year because of a lot of delays with COVID and everything. So our biggest challenge this year is just to been able to get the 9-ship formation together. So, and we literally just did that for the first time last week. So what you're seeing over the Maritimes, over Moncton today, is something that we've only really been doing for about a week.
Wow, really?
Yeah.